Hello, my name is Raquel Esteo.
And I am Alba Couchero. We are of 6A.
We are going to talk about the trip to England.
One person from cut of the three classes of 6th, they are going to go to England.
The person of 6A is Jorge Franco.
The person of 6B is Sara Rodes.
And the person of 6C is Miguel Correia.
When they are going to come back, we are going to tell you about this.
Okay, we finished.
Now our friends are going to talk about Frozen.
Bye.
Bye.
Gracias, Alba i Raquel. Hola, em dic Lucía.
Hola, em dic Maria i som de 6A.
Anem a parlar del musical de Frozen.
Ja ens han dit els papers.
I de la classe de 6A, Anna és Mariana i Elsa és Concha. De la classe de 6B,
Esther és Anna i Lucía és Elsa.
de la classe de 6C, Anna és Irene.
I Victòria és Elsa.
Adeu.
Adeu.
Hello, I'm Lucía.
Hello, I'm Raquel.
We are going to talk about the Cambridge exams.
Linguages are going to organize a Cambridge exam to see what level have each student.
It's voluntary. To do the exam, you have to pay 60 euros.
There are 3 levels. The minimum is starter, the medium is movers, and the highest is flyers.
If you want to check what is your level in English, do the Cambridge exam.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hola, ¿qué tal estáis?
Vamos a informarnos de los correos que nos regala la Salle.
A los alumnos que ya les hayan entregado el correo tendrán 30 gigabytes y podrán navegar y hacer trabajos en cooperativo.
Hasta aquí llega nuestro telediario.
Esperamos que os haya gustado.
Un abrazo muy grande de
Lucía,
María.
y Raquel.
adiós.
Adiós.